welcome to my K channel. So today I'm gonna make a Japanese style steak bowl, or should I say half Japanese style steak bowl? Because today I'm gonna use the soya sauce and the red wine for the steak sauce, like a Western style and a Japanese collaboration sauce. So finally I will use beef in my cooking video. This is the first time. I usually use the pork and chicken. So I hope you also like it. This is my favorite taste, Japanese style steak. So okay, let's get started.
So okay, these are today's ingredients, and that beef used in this dish should be brought to room temperature before cooking.
So okay, let's get started. So first, I wanna slice the 2 pieces of the garlic. Hi, okay, I sliced the garlic like this. Okay, and then next. So next, I prepare the beef here. So just before grilling the steak, please sprinkle both sides with the salt and black pepper.
So, and then sprinkle the other side with salt and black pepper as well.
Okay, I did. Looks already yum. Great. Okay, and then next, let's grill the steaks. So, and then next, please set the medium-low heat. So, and then please add 1 teaspoon of oil. And then I wanna add the garlic as well.
So before cooking the beef, fry the garlic slices in oil until you can smell the garlic.
Getting good smell. Okay. So I wanna take out the garlic.
So these sliced garlic will be used again later to make the sauce.
So, okay, and then let's grill the beef. Yako. Good sound. It's so good color. One more. Looks good. いいね、両方焼けた。And then next, I'm gonna make a sauce. So, please add 2 tablespoons of the soya sauce. 1 tablespoon of mirin. And then 20 grams of the butter. 溶けてる。Oh shit! And then 2 tablespoons of red wine. めっちゃいい香りする。Okay. And then also I wanna add the garlic as well. Good smell. So I wanna try the taste. OK。ちょっとだけお肉絡めます。はい、ステーキソースも完成しました。ステーキソース also ready. So okay, let's cut the beef steak. ドキドキするね。美味しくできてるかな。見て見て、こんなミディアムレアだね。たらーん、できました。おいしそう。Looks good. You know, I am Japanese. That's why I wanna eat with rice. So I wanna make a steak bowl. So let's prepare the rice. Hey, okay. I prepare the rice. ちょっとソースをお米にかけよう。I wanna put the sauce on top. And then also I wanna use a shredded lettuce. So okay, time to plate. And then also I wanna add the sesame as well. Not enough green color. あ、そうね。パセリものせようか。I wanna add the parsley as well. My friend Mother's Yoko-san gave it to me this afternoon. ありがとう、ヨーコさん。ビーフ丼にパセリ使います。いいんじゃない？ No, no. I need a garlic as well. ガーリックものせよう。よし、できた。じゃーん、できました。Japanese style beef steak don is ready. 完成です。美味しそう。で、いい匂いする。Good smell. So, time to eat. Yahoo! Looks good. I'm so happy I can eat it. 食べよう。いただきます。Let's begin. お肉、お肉。グーグー。いただきます。The meat is really tender. 柔らか。おいしい。So juicy. I think a soy sauce and the red wine is goes well together. めっちゃ合う。なんか贅沢だわ。幸せ。So, okay, if you enjoyed my YouTube video, please give me the thumbs up and then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, thank you for watching guys and then see you in my next video. Bye bye!